This is a 1956 Harley Davidson KHK. Last year of the K model. Born fresh find. Has not been run since about 1973 or 74. I've got original pictures that show how dirty it is. I just took a bath with it and cleaned it up. Really cleaned up nicely. There's some marks on the gas tank and it looks like it's starting to crack a little bit in the paint, but I find this to be an original paint motorcycle. Came in from Colorado. Rear tires all used up. It has 29,000 miles on it. And just appears to be in very good shape. Little water right now in that odometer, so you can't quite see it. There you go. But I'm going to do a cold start. Got high-rise bars on it. They are Harley. The bags are Harley Davidson. I'm going to give the camera over to my partner here and bring it back into the sunshine so you can see the starting procedure. So we're going to hold on right there and get this done. We're absolutely cold. Absolutely cold. I haven't started since 3-4 hours ago before I washed. So we're coming around to the sunshine for you. Now remember, these Harleys have a hot coil. They fire both sides. So you don't want to turn the key on till the very end. That's down, that's full throttle. I left the gas on. Gas is on. Three kicks, full gas. Choke all the way up and then down one. These don't like to have gas, so maybe 1/8 of a throttle, that's all. Don't turn the key on yet because I'm not up ready for my stroke. There I am. Key's on. And I need to make sure it's retarded, which it is. Not bad for 35 years in hibernation. Talk to you soon. Push the red button, John. The center.